What up YouTube? So I've gone ahead and I bought myself a pack of 4 Airtags. My order's all set. Delivery is confirmed at the 10th or 17th. The reason being, I got myself personalized Airtags. So they've got ace and they've got numbers on each one, so I know which one's which. And I didn't opt for these, so they had options of getting Keyrings, £35 for some Keyring, 39. I mean, this is more than how much the Airtag is. I mean, it's ridiculous. So if I was you, don't buy any of these. Don't buy any of these. Go on like Amazon. I'm sure you can pick up an Airtag thing. So I want to go ahead and just check this thing out now. Let's have a look here. Ooh, Amazon. There you go. Type in Airtag Keyring. Click search, and we've got ourselves some results here. So as you can see here, the same basic thing is £4.50 plus shipping. There's this other one here as well, some silicone protectors. There's ones as cheap as this. I mean, you can literally, there's so many options here. Everyone's basically making them. These things are mass produced in China. Why spend a crazy extortionate amount of money when you can pick up these so cheaply? Which ones have like next day shipping? You can see ones that are sold by Amazon if you just click the prime option. The official one, which is obviously £35, but there are so many non-official ones that you can just pick up, which are so much cheaper. Go by cheapest and click show results. So there's 26 at a house by Amazon. The cheapest one is this one here, which is £8.29. If you don't mind waiting, I mean, this one here as well. So yeah, there is ones, obviously, if you're going to be waiting that long for personalized Airtags, in the meantime, you might as well just jump on Amazon and go ahead and buy yourself some protective Keyrings, and then by the time that these show up, the Airtag will also show up as well. But anyway, this has been Ace. Hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, like, subscribe. Peace out.